Hey YouTube, so here's the Litex outdoor ceiling fan. I put a Westinghouse light kit on it. I got this light kit at a thrift store for $4. Light kit, the globes and all. So here's the fan. Yeah, I don't have another daylight bulb, so I just have three lights. Yeah, I took down the Hunter Infinity and put up this thing, and this thing moves a lot more air than that Infinity, surprisingly. I don't know why, but this fan just seems to move a lot more air than that Hunter Infinity. So yeah, there's the Litex Outdoor Builder series. Yeah, bye.